getting Biggie some eggs cooked up. So I gave Biggie his antibiotic yesterday. I'm hoping that helps him out a little bit. Cooking him up a couple eggs for breakfast. If you haven't seen Biggie, he's on our Instagram, but he is a chocolate Orpington rooster. And he's just like, I mean, Biggie was, we named him Biggie because he was a big fluffy guy, but then like Biggie, he ended up being like, he's like so chill, I don't know, ended up being like the perfect name for him because other than his size, he's also a pretty chill dude. So that's why I'm like really not wanting to let him go. Here you go, Biggie. There's some eggs, dude. Don't knock over your water. There. Yep. Hi, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, you eat that food. Get better, please. Thing with Biggie, we don't know how old he is. We actually got him from our previous neighbors, so we're not sure. We've had him for a year, going on a year now. So I'm figuring he's at least 2. I don't know. I think the neighbor said that he might have been a little less than a year when we got him. So he's going on 2. But I think what the deal is that our daggone coop is staying so wet all the time. He was sounding really rattly. Like just breathing. He just sounded rattly. So that's what I got. I'll show you what I got. But I'm treating with a broad spectrum antibiotic that should cover anything that would cause him to be rattly or the respiratory stuff. Now, whether it's going to work, I was getting eggs and they weren't fertilized, so that might have been why they weren't fertilized, because there might have been something going on with him before now. So. Sunshine. Alright, so told you I was giving Biggie, our rooster, our sick rooster, antibiotics. This is what it is. Can't believe the sun's came out, but it is liquamycin. Okay, at Tractor Supply it comes in a box like this. LA 200. If you can't find it, ask one of the people that work there where the LA 200 is. They should know what it is. When I went to get ours, it wasn't in like the case. You know how they have the case for some of the injections and stuff? It wasn't in the case. It was just on the shelf. It was on the top shelf, of course, so my line of vision, I couldn't see it, so I had to ask. But so yeah, so this is what it comes in. It is an antibiotic. Yeah, so it says it's a broad spectrum antibiotic. I forget where it was that had a study on it, and when I was trying to find the dosage, which I also seen this on another YouTuber's video, it said that 1 cc is equal to 5 pounds. So for a chicken, I used a little over 1 cc because I know that Biggie weighs more than 5, pounds, but at this point, I don't think he weighs 10. So I didn't do 2 cc's. I just did one, like a little over 1. Okay, along with this, you're going to need a syringe and needles. All of this is at Tractor Supply. Now, these you have to get assistance with. They have to come with their little key and get in the case to get them. Obviously, you know why. You know, people abuse it and then make it difficult for everybody else. So, this, I forget how many, okay, it's 100 milliliters. This was $25, I think. Not sure. These were like less than $1 a piece. I got a couple just in case. And these, I'm not sure. I don't have the receipt on me. But these were like, I want to say like $8 or something. And you get 6. I use a 22 gauge. Okay, the lower the number, the bigger the needle. For a chicken, you don't need a huge needle. Okay. So yeah, so for all this, I think I came out, it was like right under $40. But the study that I read about giving this to chickens, sorry guys, I'm like really close, and the sun's like right in my eyes. It said for respiratory issues, to give it to them, then wait 3 days. If they're not, their condition hasn't improved, you can give them another dose and then wait another 3 days. Okay, so hopefully it wouldn't take no more than 2 doses. You got you a new bike? I'll let the girls free range a little bit. What I'm going to do today is get my soil pods ready. I guess you call them soil pods. Pellets? Yeah. This isn't how I wanted to do it this year, but the season just kind of, oh, excuse me, I'm going to sneeze. So the season just kind of crept up on me, but I have these left over from last year, and I went and got some a lasagna pan. I got these at Big Lots. They were 4, or actually that's a 5-pack. Huh. But they were, so I got 5 for $4. So, pretty cheap. I didn't go to Dollar Tree. I was just at Big Lots, and I knew I was wanting to do this, so I got them. You might be able to get them cheaper at Dollar Tree or Dollar Store, whatever. Use whatever you have. Okay, if you have the big seed trays, which is what I was wanting to do this year. I was wanting to get more organized. I was wanting to get my greenhouse built. None of it happened, which it will next year. So, use what you have. And then, which these aren't going to work, which honestly you could just kind of set it on. I had these left over, You can just sit these over, or put plastic wrap over them. Just something to hold in the heat. These might work. Nope. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pan. I'm going to take my pellets. I got these off of Amazon last year. I got like 100 of them. I'd have to look, but I forget how much it was for. They're reasonable, but of course it would be more cost efficient if you have your own soil and soil blocker, which is what I was going to do this year. But just get them out, arrange them. Alright, so I'm going to just arrange them like this. So you can see you can fit quite a bit in here. The thing is, you don't want to leave your seeds in these very long. Some of the reading I've been doing, whatever soil they use in this, just the nutrients aren't enough to sustain seedlings very long, which makes sense because I've had trouble in the past with them looking really good and then just kind of fizzling out. You can get these seed pellets too. I've seen them at Lowe's. I don't know about Tractor Supply, but Lowe's. Sometimes Big Lots has stuff like this too. I don't, as far as cost efficiency, I'm not sure. Or comparing, I don't know. Like I said, I got these off of Amazon. It might have been the year before last. Alright. So, of course, when you put the water in here, they're going to kind of float around. But I like to arrange mine like this. And then I'll put some water in it. And they'll expand. Okay. This is my greenhouses. Or my greenhouse. For right now, anyways. Whew, I just drug that thing out. I got 2 greenhouses in there. So I'm going to get them set up. Yep. Alright guys, so I finished up putting the greenhouses up right before my phone died. So, man, that was a workout. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some seeds in these seed pellets and get them ready and get them outside in the greenhouses. I'm going to put a thermometer in there to see how warm it gets in there. It surprisingly gets pretty warm and it stays consistent. Our weather's not been too bad. I think it did get down in the 30s last night, I believe. But I think our weather's supposed to be our temperature's supposed to be starting to go up a little bit. So I'm going to get my seeds put in my seed trays. Or seed, I keep saying seed. Seed, pellets, pods, whatever. Alright, and then I will take them out to the greenhouse. So I'm going to do that. And I will see y'all on the next video. Hopefully I'll give you, we'll have updates on Biggie. Hopefully we'll have maybe some seedling updates. We are like 10 days, my hair looks crazy. We are 10 days out from getting our Mount Healthy chicks. So we gotta get busy on the brooder. We are almost done with our cast iron wall. Like, if I could make a list of all the things, the projects we've got going on right now. We are almost done with our cast iron wall, which I'll be posting a video of that. We got the chicks coming. I've got a giveaway on Instagram. And listen, if you subscribe to the channel, that's one entry into the giveaway. I'm going to do that. What else? I don't know. I've gotten all kinds of awesome stuff to put in the giveaway. I'm so excited about that. And we've just got all kinds of stuff going on. We've got some projects that we're wanting to get done around here too. Just got a pole saw, which is exciting. So maybe, just maybe, I can get hubby into some of the videos. He doesn't like being in the videos, but I'm thinking maybe if he gets to play with his pole saw. If he gets to play a little bit, maybe he'll let me put him in a video. So, yeah, I'm hopefully going to try to keep going with the videos, guys, and try to be more consistent. It's just been crazy around here. I know it's probably crazy around your place too, getting ready for gardens and chicks and all this stuff. So, and mom's just dealing with kids. So, I will see you on the next video. Alright guys, see you then.